When you open the battery compartment, you'll find that it does take old batteries. So if you had a GoPro 5, 6, 7, you'll be relieved to know that GoPro didn't change those and that the battery still works with the new camera. That being said, when you use a non-GoPro 8 battery, you get a strange battery notice, and it says, use a GoPro Rechargeable Battery Hero 8 Black for peak performance. What the hell does that mean? Does that mean that if you use a GoPro 7 battery, that the camera isn't going to perform at the top of its level? You know, I just got this camera 3 days ago, and I don't really know what this means yet. I'm going to have to run some tests. But I don't like seeing that. That's kind of like Apple saying, yes, you can upgrade to the new, operating system with your old phone, but your phone's going to work way worse when you do. And for comparison's sake, let's take a GoPro 8 battery. These are the new batteries with the blue. Let's pop it in the camera. And you can see that that warning message no longer comes up. So GoPro, I'd love to hear your thoughts about this.